Okay, you mind if I tell you a story?
No, please do.
So I was walking around one day, and this guy comes up to me and says, "Hey, want to see a magic trick?"
Okay.
I'm like, "Yeah, I love magic." He goes, "Okay, well, this trick involves 3 cards." He said it involves this card,
Okay.
it involves this card,
Okay.
and it involves that card.
Okay.
I go, "Okay, this, and that." He says, "What I want you to do is I want you to keep your eye on that card." But as I said that, he moved the card to the bottom real fast. I go, "Okay, I caught you, that card's in the bottom." He goes, "No, I'm sorry, this card's in the bottom." And I go, "Okay, well, if this card's in the bottom, then that card has to be on top." He goes, "No, I'm sorry, actually, this card's on top as well." And I go, "Okay, well, if this card's on top and on bottom, that card has to be in the middle."
Okay.
He goes, "No, I'm sorry, this card's in the middle also." I go, "Okay, well, you have 3 thises." He goes, "No, because that card's in the bottom." And I go, "Okay, well, if that card's in the bottom, then this card has to be on top." He goes, "That's what most people think, but actually, that card's on top as well."
Okay.
And I go, "Well, if that card's on top and on bottom, this card has to be in the middle." He goes, "No, I'm sorry, that card's in the middle also." And I go, "Okay, wait a minute, you have 3 thises and 3 that, you've got to be cheating." He goes, "No, because this card's in the bottom, this card's in the middle, and this card's on top." And I go, "Wait a minute, I don't understand, how does that work?" He goes, "Well, just goes to show in life, you get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but not much of the other." I like that one.
That's a